So, as you can see, we've drawn a Girl Scout here, and it represents our group. And this Girl Scout possesses the following traits: being patient, active, willing to do things, open-minded, responsible, understanding, approachable, helpful, and dedicated. And these traits, so my members, or our group members, possess the following traits. And I can say that they really possess the following traits because even though they can directly state it in text, they can state it in the way they act. And then you can see this trait. We have this as our main trait. Having strong faith in God. Of course, we should never forget God because God will be the one who will guide us in our way. And finally, you can see a road here. It means that to the road of success, we should never forget these following traits. Even though we've attained the being a chief Girl Scout already, we should never forget these following traits because it will be our guide to the road of success. And let me share a line to you. I hope this will help you. Okay, so here it goes. We are the youth.